ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Good morning students. Today our topic is new chapter organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So your new chapter is organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Especially oxygen containing compounds are first compound is oxygen containing compound alcohols, phenols, ethers, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. So these are the oxygen containing compounds in second year chemistry syllabus. Okay, organic molecules with oxygen containing compounds, alcohols, phenols, ethers, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids. Right, alcohols general formula ROH, alcohols. Phenols aromatic benzene with OH group, phenol. Ethers ROR, ether. Aldehyde RCHO, aldehyde. And ketone is RCOR, ketone. Carboxylic acids RCOH, carboxylic acids. In all these compounds oxygen is present, therefore these are the oxygen containing organic molecules. Right, now we are discussing about alcohols. Okay, subtopic organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen compounds. First topic is alcohols. Okay, alcohols means OH group containing compounds are called as alcohols. Hydroxy group, OH group. Hydroxy group containing compounds are called as alcohols. Now these alcohols are majorly classified into two categories. One is alcohol and another one is phenols. Alcohols and phenols. Especially OH group containing compound. OH group containing compounds majorly classified into two categories, alcohols and phenols. The chemistry of alcohols are quite different from phenols. The chemistry of phenols and alcohols are different because of here R group is aliphatic, here this is phenyl group is aromatic system. Therefore aliphatic properties, aromatic properties both are different. Therefore OH group containing compounds are majorly classified into two categories, alcohols and phenols. Their chemistry is also differ. Now these alcohols classified, classification 1, classification Classification of alcohols. First classification based on OH groups. Based on OH groups. Based on OH groups, alcohols are classified into monohydric alcohols. Alcohols are classified into monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols, and polyhydric alcohols. Based on OH group, monohydric alcohols. Second one is dihydric alcohols. Third one is trihydric alcohols, and fourth one is polyhydric alcohols. Okay, based on OH groups, number of OH groups: monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols, polyhydric alcohols. Monohydric means single OH group containing compounds. Single OH group containing compound, best example is ethyl alcohol, CH3 CH2OH. This is monohydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol, di means two OH group containing alcohols. Here dihydric alcohol is CH2OH, CH2OH. This is dihydric alcohol. It is also commonly called as glycol, dihydric alcohol, or it is also called as glycol. And trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol is three OH groups containing compound CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This is trihydric alcohol. In this, three OH groups are present. Its name is glycerol. Okay, polyhydric alcohols, more number of OH group containing compound. For this, best example is sorbitol. Sorbitol means 6 OH group containing compound, that is sorbitol, like this: CH2OH, CHOH, 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 CHOH. Yeah, this is CH2OH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 OH groups containing compound is sorbitol. Number of OH groups are more number of OH groups. 6 OH groups are present. Therefore, this is sorbitol. So, classification 1, based on hydroxyl groups, alcohols are mainly classified into 4 categories: monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, trihydric alcohol, polyhydric alcohol. Mono means single OH group, di 2 OH groups, tri 3 OH groups, poly more number of OH group containing compounds. Right, in this 3 questions, most important questions. What is the IUPAC name of ethylene glycol? Okay, IUPAC name of glycol or ethylene glycol. Okay, what is the IUPAC name? Now for this IUPAC name 1 and 2. 2 carbons are there. So 2 carbons means eth, single bond is there, carbon carbon single bond, A. At first position, second position, 2 OH groups are present. Therefore 1, 2 diol. Ol. Secondary suffix OH group secondary suffix is ol. So IUPAC name of this compound is ethane 1, 2 diol. Similarly for this compound 1, 2, 3. Glycerol is the common name. Now for this compound 1, 2, 3 carbons. 3 carbons means prop, carbon carbon bond single bond, A. 1 to 3 position OH groups are there, 1, 2, 3. Here triol. This is the IUPAC name of glycerol. Okay, glycol IUPAC name ethane 1, 2 diol. Glycerol IUPAC name propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Now in this sorbitol, how many primary alcoholic groups, primary OH groups, secondary OH groups and tertiary OH groups? How many primary alcohols, secondary alcoholic groups, tertiary alcoholic groups are present in sorbitol? Primary alcohol, here this carbon is attached to only one carbon, so it is primary. This carbon is also attached to only one carbon, so it is primary. Primary hydroxyl groups are 2 only, so answer 2. Primary hydroxyl groups 2. Next, this carbon attached to another 2 carbons, it is also attached to another 2 carbons, it is also attached to another 2 carbons, it is also attached to another 2 carbons. Therefore, all these are secondary. Secondary. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 OH groups are secondary. What about tertiary carbon? Here tertiary carbon is absent. Therefore, tertiary hydroxyl groups are 0. Okay. So this is also one of the important question. 3 questions. Glycol IUPAC name ethane 1, 2 diol. Glycerol IUPAC name propane 1, 2, 3 triol. And sorbitol, in sorbitol, how many primary hydroxyl groups, how many secondary hydroxyl groups and how many tertiary hydroxyl groups are present? Primary hydroxyl groups 2 only, secondary hydroxyl groups 4 and tertiary hydroxyl groups 0. This is classification 1. Then go for second classification. Second type of classification, right. Second classification, second type of classification is sp3 carbon OH group. OH group, hydroxyl groups is binding with the sp3 carbon atom. Based on the hydroxyl group which is attached to the sp3 carbon, alcohols are mainly classified into 3 types. One is alkyl alcohols, second type is benzyl alcohols and third type is allyl alcohols. Allyl alcohols. And one more is also useful, that is propargyl alcohols. Propargyl alcohols based on sp3 carbon OH group. OH group is directly binding with the sp3 carbon. Alcohols are classified into four types: alkyl alcohols, benzyl alcohols, allyl alcohols, propargyl alcohols. Right, alkyl alcohols. Here 1, 2, 3, fourth type. First type of alcohol, alkyl alcohol. Alkyl alcohol means any alkyl group. For example, here CH3, CH2OH. This is alkyl group, ethyl group. Okay, a OH group. This OH group is attached to the sp3 carbon. Why? Because this carbon with 4 bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. Around this carbon, 4 bonds are present. Therefore, sp3. Okay, alkyl alcohols. Next, benzyl alcohols. Second category, benzyl alcohols. This is benzene ring with CH2OH. This OH group is attached to the sp3 carbon. So it is also OH group must be attached to sp3 carbon. This is second type, benzyl alcohol. Allyl alcohol. Third type, allyl alcohol. CH2 double bond CH2OH. This is OH group. This OH group is attached to sp3 carbon. So this is third type, allyl alcohol. And fourth type of alcohol is CH triple bond C, here CH2OH. This OH group is attached to sp3 carbon. So this is propargyl alcohols. OH group directly binding with sp3 carbon, 4 categories: alkyl alcohols, benzyl alcohols, allyl alcohols, propargyl alcohols. Now, OH group attached carbon, based on nature of OH group attached carbon, these alkyl alcohols are also further classified into 3 categories: primary alkyl alcohols, secondary alkyl alcohols, tertiary alkyl alcohols. These benzyl alcohols are also further classified into 3 types: primary and secondary and tertiary alcohols. Allyl alcohols are also classified into 3 categories: primary, secondary and tertiary allyl alcohols. Propargyl alcohols are also classified into 3 categories: primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay, now this is OH group carbon, it is attached to only one carbon, so this is primary. Another one, CH3, here R group, alkyl group, hydrogen and OH group. Okay, this OH group carbon is directly binding with another 2 carbons, so this is secondary. Next, CH3 group carbon, here alkyl group, OH. This OH carbon attached to another 3 carbons, therefore this is tertiary. So alkyl alcohols classified into 3 types: primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, tertiary alcohols. This is primary, secondary and tertiary. Here also say hydrogen replaced by alkyl group, OH group carbon, this carbon binding with only one carbon, so this is primary alcohol. And another one is a carbon with alkyl group and hydrogen OH group, this is secondary alcohol. and benzene with carbon alkyl group, here alkyl group OH, this carbon binding with another 3 carbons, so it is tertiary. Here also say these 2 hydrogens are replaced by alkyl groups, primary, secondary, tertiary. These 2 hydrogens are also replaced by alkyl groups, primary, secondary, tertiary. So alkyl alcohols 3 types, benzyl alcohols 3 types, allyl alcohols 3 types. Based on sp3 carbon, you must remember the students, OH group must be attached to the sp3 carbon atom. Based on sp3 carbon atom with OH group, they are classified into 4 categories: alkyl alcohols, benzyl alcohols, allyl alcohols and propargyl alcohols. And one more classification, third classification, third type of classification, based on sp2 carbon and OH group. Classification 3, sp2 carbon and OH group. sp2 carbon OH group. Hydroxyl group is directly binding with the sp2 carbon. Based on this, they are classified into 2 types. One is phenols, second one is vinyl alcohols. Phenols and vinyl alcohols. Yes, phenols C6H5ROH. This is phenol. Phenol. Vinyl alcohol CH2 double bond CHOH. This is vinyl alcohol. Okay, vinyl alcohol. Okay, phenol and vinyl alcohol. This OH group is attached to sp2 carbon because around this carbon 1, 2, 3 sigma bonds. So it is undergoes sp2 hybridization. Here OH group carbon, this OH group carbon, it is also having only 3 sigma bonds. So therefore it is undergoes sp2 hybridization. So OH group must be attached to sp2 carbon. They are classified into 2 types, phenols and vinyl alcohols. Okay, this is third type of classification. Yes, then go for next nomenclature of alcohols. IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols. Nomenclature. Compound, common name and IUPAC name. Compound, common name and IUPAC name. Right, CH3OH. Its common name is methyl alcohol. Common name methyl alcohol. IUPAC name, only one carbon is present. Therefore, word root meth, only single bond is present A, and OH group secondary suffix is ol. By adding word root to primary suffix and secondary suffix, we can remove E, a removal of E. So name methanol. Okay, this is equal to methanol. IUPAC name methanol. And one more, CH3 CH2OH. Its common name is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. IUPAC name, two carbons are present, eth, single bond, A, OH group, whole. This is at first position. So ethane one whole or ethanol in this removal of E. Then go for another one, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Its common name is propyl alcohol. Propyl alcohol. This OH group is present at first position. Therefore, IUPAC name is prop plus N plus one whole propanol. By adding all these, we can remove E, removal of E. Similarly, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are present. So its common name is butyl alcohol. So IUPAC name, but plus A plus one whole, 1 butanol or butane 1 O. Similarly, CH3 CHOH, here CH2 add CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here OH group is present at secondary carbon, therefore it is called as secondary butyl alcohol. Common name, secondary butyl alcohol. IUPAC name, but and single bond N. Your OH group is present at second position, therefore 2 O. By adding all these, we can remove E. 2 butanol, butane 2 ol or 2 butanol. Yes, and similarly CH3, here CH3 hydrogen and CH2OH. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. This is isobutyl alcohol. Common name, isobutyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol. IUPAC name, 1, 2, 3. At second position, methyl group is present. Therefore, substitution is 2 methyl plus word root 1, 2, 3 carbons. 3 carbons word root is prop plus primary suffix N. OH group is present at first position. So 1 whole, here removal of E. Total name, 2 methyl propane 1 whole or 2 methyl 1 propanol. Its IUPAC name is 2 methyl 1 propanol. Okay. So IUPAC name, how to write the IUPAC name? Just you must follow this order. Substitution, first you have to write the substitution, next word root, next primary suffix and followed by secondary suffix. If any compound is given, its IUPAC name written like this: substitution, word root, primary suffix, secondary suffix. Okay, you must follow this order. First you have to write the substitution and followed by word root and primary suffix, last secondary suffix. By adding all these, we can get IUPAC name of the organic compound. Okay, IUPAC name, order, first substitution and followed by word root, primary suffix and secondary suffix. Okay, this is the common name and IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols. Nomenclature of alcohols. this compound. IUPAC name CH3, CH3, CH3OH. For this compound, IUPAC name. What is the IUPAC name of the compound? Next, for this compound, IUPAC name. What is the IUPAC name of these three compounds? Yes, first IUPAC name, here long chain is 1, 2, 3. At second position, methyl group substitution. So how to write the IUPAC name? IUPAC name is equal to substitution, word root, primary suffix, secondary suffix. Okay, you must follow this order. First substitution. Substitution is methyl substitution at second position. So substitution is 2-methyl substitution. Then go for word root. Word root in long chain 1, 2, 3 carbons. Word root indicates number of the carbons in a longest chain or parent chain. So here 3 carbons are there. So word root 3 carbons, word root name is pro. Primary suffix. Primary suffix indicates nature of the carbon. Here carbon nature single bond, carbon nature single bond. So here primary suffix A, and the secondary suffix is alcohol. Alcoholic secondary suffix ol. So at second position, therefore to ol. So its IUPAC name is 2-methyl-2-propanol. Okay, 2-methyl-2-propan-2-ol, or it is also written like this: 2-methyl-2-propanol. 2-methyl-2-propanol. Okay, this is the IUPAC name. Now for this compound, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons in cyclic state. Therefore, in cyclic state, prefix cyclo. 6 carbons are present. Hex, single bond is there. N plus at first position OH group is there. 1 ol. Name cyclohexanol, a removal of E. So its name is cyclohexanol. IUPAC name. Right now in this compound, OH group and methyl group, one substitution, one functional group is present. According to IUPAC rules, first priority goes to functional group. So therefore, least number for functional group and followed by 2, 3, 4, 5. At second position, methyl group. So substitution 2-methyl plus, here it is in cyclic state, cyclo plus 5 carbons, pent plus single bond N, and OH group is present at first position. So 1 ol, a removal of E. Its name is 2-methyl cyclopentanol. 2-methyl cyclopentanol or 2-methyl-1-cyclopentanol, as you are like. 2-methyl cyclopentanol or 2-methyl-1-cyclopentanol, both are same. Okay, these are the IUPAC names. So you must follow the IUPAC names order: primary suffix, substitution first, then followed by word root, primary suffix and secondary suffix. Okay, this is the nomenclature of alcohols. Next, structure of alcohols. Structure of alcohols. Structure of alcohols. General structure ROH. General structure ROH. In this, oxygen contains two lone pair of electrons. So alcohol molecules undergoes sp3 hybridization. Hybridization is sp3. One sigma bond, here one, total 2 sigma bonds around oxygen. So 2 sigma bonds. Lone pairs 2 lone pairs. 2 sigma bonds plus 2 lone pairs, total 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. So alcohol molecules undergoes sp3 hybridization. In these alcoholic molecules, means around the functional group, OH group, 2 sigma bonds, 2 lone pairs, sp3 hybridization. Now presence of 2 lone pair of electrons, its shape is angular shape or V shape. Okay, that's why you have to write like this ROH. Here presence of 2 lone pair of electrons. Okay, 2 lone pair of electrons. This is angular shape or V shape. Okay, alcohols undergoes sp3 hybridization, angular shape or V shape. Its structure is like this. Then go for preparation methods. Preparation methods of alcohol.